donation from Eric from the US.
Eric Cantona.
Yeah, Eric. $9,000 from Eric.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Beer rain.
Yeah, man, I'm trying, man, you see it?
Kitchen a leak.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I know.
I'm bad, I'm trying, man, you know?
Kitchen a leak. Chef.
Yeah, man, it's a leak, you know?
Kitchen a leak, stir. Put this up.
Yeah, man, I'm having the gym. Ask you, you know?
Yeah.
There's some people in the food, man, come here and say, we'll start looking.
So definitely a shop I forgot fix next, doesn't it? I forgot deal with star. Oh, go on.
Yeah, I splat, I have no fry all of a splat and you see, some of the money better help me. Having gym, last year, just okay, you know. And it means.
Shop a leak.
Yeah, man. Bad, you know?
Rain a fall hard out here.
Yeah, man, can inside the leak up and want to set it up, you know?
Yeah, man.
I go on the faith till the time come, man, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Go on with the faith till the time come and everything go.
Holy power, you see me say that?
Yeah. Everything I go alright, man. You see me a shop I go fix up.
I see, jar work still, you know?
Yeah.
You can't stop the rain from fall, you need it, you know?
Yeah, true.
Yeah, man, so all the people more the respect, you know, you see me I say? People doing as them, you know, because right now, man, I'm a big boat, my soul put on, because all the power out there, you know,
Yeah.
Yeah, man, big up our TV, you know? The body, you see me I say? It's nothing, man. Respect on there, you know?
So there's a boy, so much water leaking out.
Yeah, man, all the water leaking, man, I
The
tell you, man.
catch it.
Yeah, man, it's alright, man. You know? Lift it up.
No, man, so the water drip from
Yeah,
there.
don't lift it up.
See, if I
Go on, someone put it on.
Put it on there, man. Move it then.
Yeah, man, that's what I say. Yeah, man.
Water there. That's much water fall at them pot the boy.
Yeah, man, be water at them, man, because they leak hard, you know, some pretty zinc and, you know?
Yeah.
Set him up on one deal with him, sir.
Yeah.
You know, be the same.
The whole for rain fall a while ago, you know.
Yeah, man.
Because I'm forced you to catch me with water, just a leave out.
All percent up, man. You know, like, no. You see, but
Yeah, man, thing on
put
set
a
up,
roof over
man.
our head, man, we know water can't come in, man. I say, you see me, I say.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, people, man, you know.
Both them
Respect
soak
on
and
them,
thing.
Yeah, man.
Both them.
Water, man, sit there.
Man,
I'll tell you.
yeah, The chef kitchen can't flood out like this again.
Flood out people, man. More energy. So line it up, people, man. Because Jenna there, man. I set it up, man. You see me, I said. Yeah, man. Full already.
Full already.
See? Full already. Full for water, man. See me, I said. Full already, brother. Get it line up, man. Don't worry yourself, man.
Yeah, it's a line up, man.
Big man there and thing, man, you know.
Yeah,
so there's
sure.
some proper chicken for the youth them eat, you know.
Yeah.
Season up and, you know, flour up Sunday morning for the youth them, you know. Big up yourself now, man, you hear that?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, man. Hot tape, you see me? Bully for respect, you know.
Yeah. So we on the menu today in the rainy time, man?
Yeah, man, because John, the rainy time, you know, so a flour, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, about a dozen banana in it, you know, you see me, I say?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Cheap on the back, chop up one side, you know.
Yeah.
Couple sprats, you know, say more than 1 and 2, 3 go up, you know.
Yeah.
And 2 big fish there for the dinner. You know, for the end, that's the thing, you see me, I say? Yeah, man, you see me, I say? Yeah, man, so.
So I go on the part there.
The ghetto style, you know.
The ghetto style?
Yeah, man, the ghetto style, man.
Alright,
for more there, the international walk going, you know. Oh, ghetto style.
The ghetto style.
Yeah, man. Whoa. Ghetto style, you know. Yeah, man.
Ghetto style.
Spot in the rope on them side there. Well, if I spot there, you see me, I say?
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Spot and 2 big fish.
Yeah, 2 big fish upon it, you see me, I say?
Ghetto style.
Yeah, man, and round this for the youth, then the corridor around there already, you know. Yeah. Simmer down.
The corridor, simmer.
Yeah, man, simmer down. You see me done alright already, the gravy. Woo! Yeah, man, so. I like the youth them thing now and get it. Carper set up more and do it, you know.
Yeah.
And then about a dozen youth for deal with it, you know.
Corridor.
Yeah, man. Corridor, you know.
Corridor, simmer down.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, because Jesus ate 1 loaf of bread, you know, you know.
Sure, for the whole
month to chew, you say it, yeah. See me, I say.
Curry chicken back.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, you know.
Oh.
So, man.
You don't start share already?
Yeah, some of the man get already, you know.
Share
already, you know.
Yeah.
Some of the man start get already, you know. Yeah, just go around so don't forget now. We have to line them up now. Get some more plate to get who forget them, you know. Yeah, man. Gin, Garvey, Gin, Marvin, Fast, Kieran, you know.
Yeah.
So I said,
sure.
So not my people, man. Just watch him doing, man. Look on steam, man. Alright. Proper. Smell good. You smell it through the camera. So I just line up the people, them think, look, I get a plate now, line up our thing, them know for the money, man. So,
yeah.
I spot there, you know. All the spot there at the pot, say, what you going to do?
Buy some plate.
So the moment we talk, we don't start here, so.
I get some more plate.
Alright
then.
Yeah, man, so not the people. Yeah, man, all time, man.
Good life. One life.
Here inside.
Yeah, man.
We're gonna come back again. Yeah, boy.
Yeah, man.
So you don't know we're in the party.
Yeah.
We're in the party. Jen.
I go on, brother.
Mash up your fish already and dumpling.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
I'm breaking a fix up and game thing for me, you know. Oh, yeah, I see.
When I play some, you're not down?
Yeah, I'm done, Bridget.
Now play some game.
Yeah,
football.
Yes, football.
Yes, 100.
Everything alright, go, brother.
Yeah, man.
Be a rain, the weather, man.
Rain.
Yeah, man.
Why boy a shop flood out a while ago?
Flood out, chef. Start out.
Fast, man.
Just never get it started out, isn't it? Yeah. And some fly. And that's start out, man, definitely.
Yeah, man, you see that?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. But chef, me have a little small donation for you.
Yeah, man, can't go ahead that time, you know?
Yeah. From Mikey Junglis.
Mikey Junglis.
Yeah, from Brooklyn, New York.
Mikey Junglis from Brooklyn, New York.
Yeah, man.
Said we're Junglis, you know?
Yeah.
Mikey Junglis.
$2,000.
Yeah. Never know. See, Mikey Junglis, I said nothing, big up yourself, man, yeah?
Yes, sure.
Respect and honor in the Junglis. When the lion rolls,
yeah.
in the jungle, you hear that?
Yeah.
You see? It's not general, man, you see?
Mikey Junglis
Yeah, man.
from Brooklyn, New York, New York.
Big Brooklyn, New York.
Yeah.
City of New York. Oh, New York.
Twice.
You hear that?
You have to say it twice.
Twice I've got New York name. New York, New York.
Whoa.
Yeah, man, Mikey Junglis, big up again, you know?
Yeah, every
City
time.
of New York, Brooklyn. Yeah, man, that's a Brooklyn, man. We're not at Brooklyn on 4th Street, you know?
Yeah.
Original Brooklyn, New York City.
You got myself Junglis.
Not no man Junglis, you know?
Real Junglis, hear that?
Yeah.
Lion roll in the jungle.
Yeah.
I'm a gentleman.
Yeah, so when the lion
Yeah,
roll.
man. Respect your Mikey Junglis. Work hard way that time now, you know?
Yeah.
You got a little package right now, you can go and hold it, you see?
Yeah.
See me?
I will give thanks. Holy patterns.
Holy patterns, yeah, Junglis. Whoa! Whoa! Holy patterns.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Yay! Yay!
Yeah, Ginger and some whoa.
Yay!
Yeah!
Mikey Junglis,
Yeah,
big
man,
up
Mikey
yourself.
Junglis, big up, man, hear that? Concrete jungle.
Yeah,
One thing I
sure.
heard from, hear that?
Give thanks.
Yeah, man, what if I bless?
Yeah, man, bless up yourself, man, Mikey Junglis.
Yeah, Mikey Junglis,
Give
respect
thanks.
and honor in the Junglis.
Sure.
Say, still remember the youths, them, you know?
Yeah, still remember the youth them.
The first or the second or the third in the Junglis. Big up yourself, you see? Respect and honor donors, you know? Man, Karina fall away there, you know?
Yeah,
Blessings, man, man. All my blessings are going on here.
yeah. Yeah,
Mikey
man.
Junglis, big
Myself
up.
could start with a pass and thing, you know? Showers of blessings.
Showers of blessings.
man.
Start with a master, you know?
Yeah. Well,
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, kill up, start mass up really way back in the car.
Master, man.
You know the thing already, the thing is spreading it out.
yeah.
Yeah, man, got business, man. I'm going to master, man.
Sure.
Yo, we want to get a chef thing for you, see why a chef hat. And you have a hat for you too.
Two things about them, Jim, and never do all of them things, man.
But don't say that them thing, man.
Why is it them bottom?
Chef thing, them things.
Yeah, people and do them things there, so you see?
Baby, I understand.
I'm a chop, I'm a big
Yeah,
fat, big spoon thing, man.
Well, I have to go up, man, and the restaurant up the right way.
Yeah, man, Mikey Junglis just send out the man. You think I go up, man. Yeah, man, you see?
Every time.
Yeah, I hold them like Junglis.
Yeah.
You them want to deal with them, give them some food.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the rain of fire, you're supposed to ask me, you know?
Who are dumping on turret chicken back?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Some sprat up on the side.
Right by the side, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Murder!
Yeah, man.
Yeah, kill me, man.
So they're
To the rain
Junglis.
and fall.
Look at come back there. Oh! You let them
Rain
there.
and fall.
Yeah,
In a
man.
warm time.
Tell me,
How do you put?
kind of hurt me, look still.
Yeah, I have a donation from Marlene Jenkins and her daughter Kiosha from Canada.
Kiosha.
Yeah. And Marlene Jenkins. $5,000 from Marlene Jenkins.
Thanks to Marlene Jenkins and Kiosha. More blessing on top of blessing, you know. I hope Father God keep the whole on add to the team and send out the donation to the people in one team.
Much blessing.
Sure. Ringing from them, Oscar.
Oh, I tell you.
Put a hurt you.
Yeah.
Jano. So when you crash off of the bike.
Super for running, brother, man.
So you take pill feet. I feel you used to take feet.
Yeah.
So when the rain fall, it hurt you.
The rain fall hard.
Yeah, because time get cold.
The rain fall, my shot hurt me there, but right now,
Yeah.
not to hurt me too much, so I kind of go out.
And the cold weather.
In cold time, in time cold, shot earth.
Shot earth when you're back.
Yes, they are going well. It's still not
Yeah.
you not hurt me too much till I see it. But it just started. Then the canting was straight back in the night.
Yeah.
It's out here. No, all you got through, you see?
Yeah.
Yeah.
One day I feel stretch like football. Pain.
You know what?
See, if me have a beard now, say my beard now, I slide down. Rock up on the street, and let's make it now.
Yeah.
Alright.
I'm dead.
Time of the master,
Go on there. Two of them. So you can borrow one there. Training one too. Yeah. Next one. Yeah. They'll take longer for them.
We'll get with
one of the match
one.
One. Yeah, red one. Yeah.
Buying a netball for the young girls them. You know the thing go. Got the boys them get football. So the girls don't need a netball.
Right for this evening's huge breaking news. Lionel Messi is staying at
Barca. Yes, no.
Go to my England.
getting into a legal dispute.
My child.
Kabaran.
up my general, up top.
I live on the Xbox.
Yeah man, we have big fights, man.
As usual, you know the things already. And then dark shades. As usual. Boy, I'm tired to come see in the house, you know. When you come see you outside, the people must say them need to see you outside.
Yeah man, I'm so up man.
Maybe I true rain and fall still.
Yeah, so I say I told chill, I start fall over.
Yeah man, go and breeze out.
I reel them, and I shake it still, you see?
Yeah, when I reach.
Yeah man, I reel them and I shake it, so I'm not using it right now. I start come out tonight.
Yeah.
You see, so when I Prince open me.
You know, we want to finish off the bathroom and toilet first. We get that one thing and done. More than for go back and I deal with that after, you see me?
Yeah,
so we try our best to just do one thing and done. Finish off the bathroom and toilet. Yeah man. Because the man in the point of work hard, you know. You see me? So the team move speedy too. Yeah, don't know, say yeah, it's needed. See me himself, and like Prince there.
Big up all donors, you know?
Yeah.
Guide and protect and all, you know?
You see me?
Yeah.
Painter there himself.
Yeah.
Terry himself, the painter. Dream team. You know, look at there as usual.
Dream one team. Big up all of the donors, them straight.
Yeah. Real life. The Prince have some donation to us, as I say, your bathroom and your toilet.
Yeah man,
say necessary.
We up.
We up. The people don't send a live for euros for you for use for the toilet, so they want to make sure say you have the necessary, you see me? To make sure we have about your safety first. So we have some donation and we have from Black Noah.
Yeah, we have Black Noah man,
Black Noah from the UK. Yeah. Black Noah from the UK.
You know? Black Noah.
Yeah. $10,000 from Black Noah. Country.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
From Black Noah.
Yeah, big up yourself, Black Noah. Holy for love, holy for respect, guide and protection. Last year first, you know?
Yeah.
Space of Black Noah. Guidance.
One
team, dream team, Black Noah. Big up.
Alright then. So the donation from Eric from the US.
Eric Cantona.
Yeah, Eric. $9,000 from Eric. Check it. Yeah, from Eric from the US.
Eric from the US. Big up yourself, Eric from the US. Much love, much thanks. Guide and protect you. Selassie the first, you know? Go and say Eric man, much love, much thanks. Jaja love.
Straight. I have Unknown from the UK. $5,000.
Unknown.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, that's from Unknown from the UK.
Yeah, Unknown from the UK. Big up yourself, Unknown from the UK. Holy for love, holy for thanks, holy for respect, guide and protection. Last side first, Jalo.
Dream team.
Dream team. One team up there.
You have Clive and Monina from Canada. $16,000 from Clive and Monina.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
From Clive and Monina from Canada.
Clive and Monina from Canada. Big up for yourself, Clive and Monina. Holy for love, holy for thanks, holy for respect, guide and protection. Selassie the first, Jalo.
Yeah. And you have Faith from the UK. $20,000 from Faith from the UK.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Yeah, from Faith from the UK.
Faith from the UK, holy for love, holy for respect, holy for thanks. Selassie the first, guide and protect your faith. Big up yourself here.
Dream team.
One team.
One team, Gin Pan game.
Forever feel.
It's cheer. And you also have Ribbon from Portland in the USA. $7,000 from Ribbon.
7.
And Ribbon.
Ribbon from which part?
USA.
Ribbon from USA. Big up yourself, Ribbon from USA. Only for love, only for thanks, only for respect, guide and protection. So that's the first. Yeah, yeah. Dream team. One team.
This is from Pam and Monique from the UK. Pam and Monique from the UK. $10,000 from Pam and Monique.
Pam and Monique. 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yeah, from Pam and Monique from the UK, Mitcham.
Pam and Monique from the UK.
Yeah.
Big up yourself for Monique from the UK. All the follow up come like a mama queen car, so mother name, you know. Still I say the first kind of protector.
Yeah.
Pam and Monique.
Dream team. One team.
One team. So you know, people them look out towards the bathroom and tidy if you know say yo, you have your facility well and ready, isn't it?
Which is right, you know.
So I give thanks to them and bless up the donor them straight through.
Yeah, all donors, you know, still I say the first, you know, all donors.
Yeah.
And just guide and protect on yourself straight, you know, because you don't know the corona and still I go out there for the team, you know. And support the people themselves. So bless everybody.
Yeah,
One
donors,
team.
man. Big up on yourself, man. Still I say the first.
One for love and respect for the world.
Yeah.
One of them blessings.
Blessings.
Give thanks to the donor them, hear that?
Yeah.
All of
Three
them,
in
trust
time.
them and everybody.
Yeah. Straight.
One for love and respect.
Alright then, give thanks and blessings and to the donor them. Much respect.
Yeah,
I
love.
understand. And pure love. Can't thank you enough.
Yeah.
Love.
You see me? It's too much. So thank you for the support. Thank you for the support. Isn't it?
Yeah.
The Prince has gone with the faith, see me.
Yeah, man, I'll do it.
Everything
I'll do it.
possible.
Watch out now, you see Life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.